What is up everyone, this is Karan here. Welcome back to Tech Karan YouTube channel. The super wallpapers, which you already know that Xiaomi just released those super wallpapers with MIUI 12, but right now as you can see, I'm using these super wallpapers on my device running Pixel Experience Custom ROM. Yes, I have Xiaomi device, but the thing is, I'm using these super wallpapers on my AOSP base, or you can see the Pixel Experience Custom ROM, and these super wallpapers are working perfectly fine. No lags, nothing else. This might be a very interesting thing for you. I have two wallpapers, the Earth super wallpaper and the Mars super wallpaper, which you can apply directly. Let me show you by going into my live wallpapers. This one is the Earth super wallpaper, which I have just applied on my device, and this is also working perfectly fine. Let me show you by just turning off my device lock screen, and this is how this is looking like. If I turn on the lock screen, and this is how it will work. It is working perfectly fine. There are no lags, and if your device is officially not supported for those super wallpapers, you can still access those super wallpapers in MIUI other devices, like almost every device, and these are working perfectly fine for me. As you can see, I have no app, no super wallpaper app available there. You just need to install two APK files. The link is in the description, and including that, you also need a Google Wallpapers app, which is available on the Play Store and available for free, of course, so you don't need to pay any kind of penny for that. The link for this wallpapers app is also in the description. You just need to install this app from the Google Play Store, and after that, what you need to do is you need to hold there, click on styles and wallpapers, and just scroll down. At last you will see these live wallpapers, Earth super wallpaper and the Mars super wallpapers. Both of these wallpapers are APK files, so you just need to install those APKs, and these APKs will work definitely fine on your device. It should work definitely fine. If you are getting any issues, any kind of errors, you can ask in my Telegram support group, or also you can directly message me on Telegram. I will try to reply you as soon as possible. Mars super wallpaper bright option and the Earth super wallpaper bright, both of these wallpapers link is in the description. These are some information regarding this. Click there, click on OK, and after this you'll be able to use this. First of all, you'll see those colors, but that will be changed very soon without any issues. And like that, let me show you once again. This is how this default Mars wallpaper will look like, which is working perfectly fine, as you can see. Let me show you one more thing about this wallpapers app and some other things about these wallpapers app, like which are the APK files and etc. you need for this to install on your device. If I go for the download section, these are two APK files which are required to install on your device. The one is 108 MB and the second one is 88 MB. Let me show you once. Okay, this we have the Earth super wallpaper, which is maybe around only 88.5 MB. You just need to click and install. I just need to grant some permissions here, so wait for this. As we just granted this permission, as you can see, super wallpapers bright. I have already installed this, that's why it's showing me to update, so I'm not gonna update it. You just need to install this on your device, and you will be able to use them on your device without any kind of issues. If you're using a Pixel device, or if you're using Google Wallpapers already, the steps are same as I previously told you. You just need to hold, and just like this, hold and go to styles and wallpapers, and you will get the loose live wallpapers very soon. But if you're using any other ROM, any other software, you just need to install the Google Wallpapers app from the Play Store. The link is in the description, and you will be able to install those on your device without any kind of issues. These were things I just wanted to let you know, and I hope you like this. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share this, and thanks for watching. Goodbye, have a nice day. As always, goodbye.